Okay, here's our layout for the space, starting with the prep area. This little dotted line would actually be cut out, and I know we'll have to work on this a little bit, but the display, this is the space for the reefer fridge, and there'll be paneling on here for the tile, and this I believe is open. Laminate on the sides here, and then the tile that goes all the way to the floor. Our sink area, the appliances that's set in here, another sink. Okay, starting with the prep area. This is open for the refrigerator case. We'd have tile on this backing, tile on the face here. We would need to split this, put a horizontal partition in here to finalize the design of this. Tile on the side. This is where our swing gate is going to attach on the end here to go to the wall. Here's our layout for the back cabinets. Sink. An appliance to sit in here, another sink. The cash registers would sit here, some open shelving. And I'll send you the elevation views, meaning a look like this, to look on sizing to see how wide all of these are. The display center. This is on the back wall. And we have the benches that start behind this. Open shelving. And these are the stained interiors and the Discovery Center. Our 36-inch opening. The upper cabinets don't have any backs to them. And then the base here, these are open. And then we'd have the wainscoting on the back, as well as here. So let me know what you think of these first layouts. And if there's any adjustments, changes, let me know and we can get those done. Thanks.